these two devices just landed in from the UAE, and instead of doing a simple plain boring unboxing, I decided to make it an unboxing comparison. Something that I have never done before, and I am not sure if others have done this or not. Anyways, before I go ahead, it would be massively appreciated if you guys can smash that subscribe button and help my channel grow. Okay, so first I'll just unbox the iPhone 13. This is the normal non-pro iPhone 13, and here we go. And I guess this is it. Okay, so this is it. The iPhone 13 is right here in the blue color, and I think it's pretty beautiful. Let's take the wraps off. I'll turn it on in the meanwhile too, and I'll put it on a side for a while after it turns on. And right here we have the lightning cable for the iPhone 13, and we have some documentation here. This is where the unboxing experience ends. We got the SIM eject pin right here, the Apple sticker, and some other documents as usual. I'll just put this stuff on a side again, and okay, let's go ahead and unbox the all new OnePlus Nord 2. It's not really new, it's a little old now, but obviously I got this phone now, so I am just going to do it. Now remember, for the price of one iPhone 13, you can get nearly 2.5 OnePlus Nord 2 devices, and it would be really interesting to see what this device offers inside its box. Right here on the top we have the OnePlus Nord wrapped inside this plastic sheet. I'll just pull it out and I'll turn it on as well. I got it in the gray color, as you can see. I'll turn it on and put it on a side as well. Okay, right here we have a very good looking silicone case for the phone, and in here we have this kind of a note for the fans, and we have some documentation and the OnePlus Nord stickers that we got back in the day as well. The SIM eject pin is here too. Underneath this we have this 65 watt warp charger. It's a whopping charging brick, and you can see that we don't have the charging brick in the box of the iPhone 13. Thanks to Apple that it set this trend of removing the chargers, and now other companies are following in the trend. We do get the charging bricks in the boxes of the mid-range phones, but slowly the charger is being removed from the boxes of the flagship devices. Samsung has done that, Xiaomi has done that. Eventually, this thing will trickle down to the mid-range devices as well. So yeah, enjoy these accessories while you still can. And here is the USB Type-C cable of the OnePlus Nord 2. Okay, I'll set up both the devices and get back to you guys in just a minute. Okay, I have set up both the phones, and I would like to talk about the iPhone 13 first. It's a very premium and a very neat looking device, and I am a huge fan of the build of Apple devices. Apple does not compromise on the build whatsoever. It's got an aluminum frame. You can see the power button right here. It's got a glass back and a glass front. There are two cameras at the back, both of 12 megapixels. One is the main camera and one is the ultra wide camera. On the front it's got a 12 megapixel single camera. Now this display on the iPhone 13 is not a 120Hz screen. Unfortunately, the high refresh rate is limited to iPhone 13 Pro and the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Now Apple has reduced the size of this notch on the top. I cannot see a huge difference here, but obviously if we put it next to the iPhone 12, we will definitely find a difference. On the left side you can see the mute slider and the power buttons, and this blue color, it looks lovely. I am in love with this color, and this is my very first personal brand new iPhone device. I think it's going to be good. I'll keep sharing my Apple experience. Now this one, the OnePlus Nord 2, It's the successor to the OnePlus Nord. Now this one has a glass build as well. We can see 3 cameras at the back of this phone. It's got a 50 megapixels main camera with optical image stabilization, an 8 megapixels ultra wide, and a 2 megapixels monochrome sensor. And on the front, it's got a 32 megapixels camera right here. Now this phone is running on the Oxygen OS based on the Android 11 right out of the box, in comparison to the iOS 15 running on the Apple iPhone 13 out of the box. Right here on the iPhone 13, we have got the internal storage of 128 gigs and it's got a RAM of 4 gigs. On the other hand, the OnePlus Nord 2 is a beast. It's got a RAM of 12 gigs and internal storage of 256 gigs. Both phones do not support a micro SD card slot, and on the OnePlus Nord 2 we are getting a 90Hz refresh rate, and on the iPhone 13 we are getting a 60Hz refresh rate. Now in no way this is a comparison between these two phones. The whole purpose of this video was to first unbox these phones and then share the unboxing experience with all of you. I am not going to get into any nitty-gritty details of these devices right here because this is not a full comparison. I'll definitely do a full comparison between these two devices and a couple of other devices. Starting tomorrow, you will start getting the camera comparisons between all these new devices right here on my channel. So once again, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button now and make sure that you drop a like as well. Drop your feedback about this video and about this kind of unboxing in the comment section below. With that being said, I will sign off and see you all in the next one.